This is the Fashionable Citizen Network. Ever wondered why the Seventh Amendment, established over 200 years ago, still holds its ground in today's complex legal world? Allow me to shed some light on this cornerstone of American jurisprudence, which guarantees the right to a jury trial in certain civil cases and inhibits courts from overturning a jury's findings of fact. The Seventh Amendment is like an old oak tree, firmly rooted in the Constitution, its branches reaching out into countless courtrooms across the nation. But like any tree, it has its limits. There are exemptions to the Seventh Amendment, areas where its reach does not extend, and it's important to understand these exceptions to fully grasp its influence. Firstly, the amendment does not apply to state court proceedings. While this might seem peculiar, it's because the amendment was crafted to restrict federal courts. State courts have their own rules regarding jury trials. Secondly, cases involving public rights, those between the government and individuals, are also exempted. Here, administrative agencies often play a significant role in dispute resolution. Thirdly, petty cases, those involving relatively small amounts of money, do not fall under the Seventh Amendment. The general rule is that if the amount in controversy does not exceed $20, the amendment does not apply. In addition, the Seventh Amendment does not apply to cases involving equitable remedies, that is, non-monetary solutions such as injunctions or specific performance. Lastly, cases heard in appellate courts are exempt, as these courts are tasked with reviewing decisions of lower courts, not conducting new trials. In terms of violations and penalties, it's more a matter of having the verdict overturned than facing a specific punishment. If a court or judge is found to have improperly denied a Seventh Amendment right, the typical result is a new trial, this time with the proper application of the amendment's guarantees. To wrap things up, the Seventh Amendment, while a pillar of American law, has its exemptions. It does not apply to state court proceedings, public rights cases, petty cases, cases seeking equitable remedies, and appellate cases. Understanding these exemptions helps us appreciate the full scope and limitations of the Seventh Amendment. While it's true that violating the Seventh Amendment may not result in a specific penalty, it does carry the weight of potentially having a verdict overturned, a consequence that no court or litigant takes lightly. In essence, the Seventh Amendment remains a vibrant part of our legal system, its importance undiminished by the passage of time or the complexity of modern law. Its exemptions and potential consequences for violation serve as a reminder of its enduring relevance and the meticulous balance of rights it seeks to uphold. Remember, every legal right, no matter how fundamental, has its boundaries, and understanding these boundaries is a crucial part of navigating the legal landscape.